This what I got out from coin hunting today. 1965, Um, got a 1966. Look at that in Car We Trust. Oh, 1967. Yep. IN. Also, we got a 1973. Okay. 1977. IN. 1973. 1969. These coins look pretty though. Coin hunting for the machines. Look at that Field D right there. The 1982. Oh. Another one again, 1982. 1991, 1992, 93, 94, 95, 97. These are coins. I got all these coins out of the machine. Soda machines and the water machines outside the Food Line in Walmart. So I had got 4 rows of Kennedy coins, but it was all 2024s, like all 4 rows. And it was like, I didn't get nothing like good out of the deal, but I'm happy though that I went out and tried. I need to go to sleep. Been up since 5:30 this morning. And I just do this on a certain day of the week. Oh yeah, my penny right here too. 1981. I'm gonna flip these on over real quick. Mm-hmm. Thank y'all.